Welcome! If you've ever wanted to save your favorite Instagram stories for later, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to archive your Instagram story on your mobile device, specifically for Android users. This updated guide will make sure you never lose those special moments you've shared. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where your story is posted. Once you're on the home screen, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture or the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now that you're on your profile page, look for your active story at the top of the screen. Tap on your story to open it. This will let you view your story just like your followers see it. While your story is open, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Tap on those 3 dots to open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Archive. Instagram will then save your story to your personal archive, where only you can view it. This feature is perfect for keeping a private collection of your favorite stories, even after they disappear from public view. To check out your archive stories later, just go back to your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, and select Archive. Here, you'll find all your previously archived stories ready to revisit whenever you like. Archiving your Instagram stories is a great way to keep memories safe and organized. Whether it's a fun day out, a special announcement, or just a moment you want to remember, archiving ensures your content is always at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most of your favorite apps.